Let's open it up and see how she looks. Packed it good. Put a lot of peanuts in there. I like peanuts. Can you tell from the color of the box what radio it is? You should be able to. It's a real popular radio. 10-meter rig. The Anytone 5555 plus quad 5 plus N. Okay, so let's open this baby up. I'm doing it on the floor here, as you can see. I got this radio at a real good price, brand new, from a supplier. Okay, now I'm going to show you in another video. This Quad 5 Plus is the original. It's the newer model, and you see it has a yellow sticker here. Okay, the older models, and this radio was made in so many different names because it's so popular. It's a Retrievus, Alliance HS4. It was just made so many different times. There's a European model, okay, that it was just made in so many different ways. And the radio almost has, it's a computer programmable radio. So it almost has open source software. This is the Anytone model, and the Anytone model is the original. Anytone made the model, and the other models, when you go into the service menu, it says Anytone. But again, it's almost open source software, so they manipulated it, and the options aren't the same. So there you go, folks. This is the Anytone Quad 5 Plus with the yellow sticker. If you have a white sticker or a grayish white, it's not the latest, and it's not an original Anytone. The Anytone Quad 5 Plus comes with a yellow sticker. So whenever you see this radio, it's all over YouTube. You know, if you don't see a yellow sticker, it's a different model. Okay, so we're going to make another video on programming this radio and comparing it to the same radio but in the Retrievus HS4 model. So anyway, there you go, folks. I got me a brand new high-end, it's not high-end, but it's real popular 10-meter radio. That there's when you hook it to the computer. External speaker, CW key, your average power, coax hookup, and a pretty fair heat sink. This radio will do 40 watts, and if I'm not mistaken, it should have a programming cable with it, and this one doesn't. So the Alliance HS4, the Retrievus, does come with a programming cable, but Anytone Quad 5 doesn't. Let me see if it says on the box that it comes with the programming cable. Applications implemented in the new Plus version. I'll see if it says it comes with the programming cable. I have one anyway, but there you go, folks. I got me a brand new, the original, the latest model Anytone Quad 5 Plus, again with the yellow sticker on it. I'm going to make another video later comparing this radio to the Retevis and showing you how to program it properly. You can break this radio. You can mess this radio up if you go into the service menu, because the service menu, when you reset this radio, it doesn't reset the service menu. So you can break the radio by going in the menu. So anyway, folks, there you have it. And I'm gonna love this radio. Thanks for watching Torpedo Heat TV. And as usual, have a good day.